two types of people you find at the beach, right? There is the people who just want to hang out with their friends, and there's really lonely people who've just been broken up with. But they're both hungry. And here at Semaphore, there's a burger place that caters to both. I've heard great things about it, and I really, really want to check it out. So come on, Clint. You're better off without it, man. I'll buy you a burger. You want me to buy you a burger? Yeah. Come on, I'll buy you a burger. You can cry into the burger. Burgers, 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 burgers. Woo! All right, good's this wall? Hello, you must be Barry.
Chris, how are you?
Chris.
Welcome to Barry's.
Do you own this place?
Yeah.
Why is your name not Barry?
Hey, it's part of the mystery, really.
Barry back there?
There may be a Barry, or it may just be an awesome name.
All right, so tell me a little bit about Barry's Burgers.
So we've been open since 2015. We're one of the first burger shops sort of in this whole state.
Because burgers have made a big comeback. It's not like, you know, there was a couple of major burger places, and now all of a sudden there's been a whole explosion of proper burgers.
Yeah, when I first came back to Australia, because I was working overseas for a while, my sister had actually opened this shop.
Did I hear something about a super yacht involved?
Yeah, I was working on the super yachts for about 5 years. That was a lot of fun, traveling around the world. And so I said to her, while I'm traveling, I'll check out all the burger places I can, and if there's any cool ideas, I'll tell you all about it. But then that turned into me coming back and then applying those ideas.
Yes, you got merch and stuff, like tell me about that.
Originally, we started off with like this design. Shout out to Owen and RTD, Tommaso.
Yes, because that design is also here, isn't it?
Yeah, but we did a renovation. This wall was just bare, and I was like, man, what can we put here? And so then we reached back out to him, and I was like, do the original design, but just keep going.
But this is like for Semaphore, so there's a jetty, there's a wing thingy over there.
And you got like the little flying burgers, which I like.
There's this bloke who's always running around. Does he get free burgers for life?
For him, he does.
And so it's not just you here, is it?
So yeah, my business partner Rami, who runs a lot of the kitchen. He's the god in the kitchen.
So I want to meet Rami.
Yeah, come through.
Rami, hello, lovely to meet you. You're here to make some burgers with us. What are we making today?
So we're making deCaux, so that's our signature beef burger and our veggie burger.
Did you hear my stomach just then? It was like...
Like our motto is, burgers that leave you feeling good. So that's all we focus on. So all of our buns are like these sweet Vietnamese rolls. That's our secret.
So this is a Vietnamese bun. I go to a burger place. I don't need a pillowy bun. I want something that's going to hold a burger and not disintegrate.
Yeah. So this is our onion jam. So we make that in-house. Like saute it, put some balsamic vinegar, sugar, and just like let it cook for 7-8 hours. It becomes like this, like a jammy.
Wow. Yeah, that looks great.
All of our meals are made in-house. So everything that we can do here, we make it here. We're gonna start with our halloumi burger. So that's the veggie burger. People love it.
And this is the veggie part of the grill.
Yeah, grab some halloumi.
Oh, I love halloumi so much.
Do you wanna put the mushroom on top of the pumpkin?
On top of the pumpkin, I can do that.
So we just like try to make it compacted so it doesn't like falls off.
You should have said that before I started.
That looks pretty good.
That's all right?
Yeah. So once you put the cheese on top, like it just like holds.
Of course,
everything.
the halloumi cheese that we're looking at. Yeah.
So just like nice and grilled.
Are you single? Because I'm about to marry you. This is amazing.
I can be single for you.
Okay.
So all of our burgers can be gluten-free.
Yes.
Even our chicken can be gluten-free if it is grilled. We're gonna make the veggie burger gluten-free.
Great.
Yeah.
And you grill it in all the goodness of the veggies.
Yeah.
Oh.
So on the halloumi burger, we're gonna start with lemon and dill mayo, top and bottom, same stuff.
It could be any of these.
Yeah. So do your best.
Lemon and dill, I reckon is it this one?
So it's
This one,
that
okay.
yeah.
The smartest thing you've done here is you've made it so that you can never be fired. I think that's very clever of you. All right.
So just do your best. Like you'll probably need your other hand too.
All right. This is how I die, isn't it? Okay, here we go.
Easy.
How many things have you dropped right here over your lifetime?
A lot.
None is the correct answer. You're a professional. Good job.
So after that, we just put the top lid on. So this is a gluten-free roll. So like the whole thing is gluten-free vegetarian burger. We'll just start on our beef patties.
Excellent.
So with our beef patty, we do 80-20 blend.
Okay.
So 80 being chuck and brisket.
Right.
And 20 just pure fat. And we just season the beef with some sea salt. So the best sea salt you can find. We use Mandalone sea salt. And we try to cook our beef medium. On the deCaux, we have got some bacon too. So we use double smoked bacon. So we flip it, more salt.
Excellent. And then there was some cheesing that needs to happen. All right, what type of cheese is this?
So we just use American cheese. It's like melts quick, tastes pretty good.
Look at that, and that's done.
Yeah, that's it. Chuck some rocket in. We use onion jam, which is kind of sweet, and the rocket with the pepperiness like just balances everything out.
Nice.
So every single of our burger, we don't want it to be like very heavy, too many ingredients. So like when you take a bite, you can still taste like everything. Just keep it simple.
This is amazing. These are vegan loaded fries. There's like capsicum and mushroom and...
House-made pickles on the top.
And what's this stuff?
That's the beetroot mayo.
All right, in-house?
Yeah.
Excellent work. I heard you took this off the menu for a while?
Yeah, so we had the halloumi burger. We did remove it, and then part of our cult following was like, where's it gone? We need this back. So to keep them happy, we brought it back, and they've been with us ever since.
Hell hath no fury like a scorned vegetarian. You did say cult following, and it is a bit of a cult here.
Yeah, we'll have people come in, get t-shirts, hoodies. They really love it.
Okay, so Remy, this is a hot sauce that you guys make. Would you like some as well?
I'll let you try it first. You're the guest, so you can start the party.
And so, what does it go on?
Oh, you can always grab a fry and just, scoop it, don't dip it.
I feel like I'm being set up here. Oh, that smelt hot. And now it's the calm before the storm. And now the storm is happening. Hi, storm. It is pretty good, actually. Yeah, it's got a bit of like garlic and 3 different types of chilies. 2 of them are illegal. Okay, so this chili's all right. I'm gonna have some more. If people also wanted some of this chili, where would they go?
Definitely come down here, ask to make your food hot.
Quicker, mate, quicker. Quicker. Keep going.
Yeah, so we're at the beach end of Semaphore Road.
Yep.
That's where you can find us, opposite the Time Ball. 13 Semaphore Road. That's where you find us at Barry's.
Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Remy. Thank you. You bastard.